Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to stop or block Windows Defender. So without further delay, let's get started. Now go to your start, click on the start button and search for control panel. Open control panel. If your control panel is not displayed this way, just click on viewed by and select category. It shows this way. So now you click on system and security. On system and security, click on Windows Defender Firewall. Now this is it, they are all active. So to turn it off, just click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. So click on that and we have this, turn it off and then turn this off. So you just apply and then boom, the Windows Defender is blocked or is turned off. Now one more other thing, there is another one which is on the settings. So you need to go and stop that one too. Just click on the start once again, click on settings. Now on the settings, go to update and security, Windows security, and we have the virus and threat protection. Click on that. Once it is being opened, you see a virus threat. Already I'm having an antivirus in the computer, which is why it is displayed here. So in order for me to disable the virus definitions, I have to turn off the antivirus. But in your case, there will be a button shows here which will be virus definition, so you just turn it off. That is how to turn off and block the Windows Defender. Guys, if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in our next video. Peace out.